The steadfast love of the Lord never ceases, his mercies never come to an end. Lamentations 3 verse 22. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another hair install, and today I'm installing this wig from BGMGIRL Hair. I have their Kinky Straight in 24 inches, and this is a large cap size, and it is a HD lace closure. So this wig comes pre-bleached and pre-plucked. If you'd like to see how I went from this to this, then please carry on watching. Okay, so this is what the box looks like when you first get it. You have a satin bag with all the goodies inside. You have your headband, your wig cap, eyelashes, a comb, and this is what the frontal looks, or the closure looks like close up. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like once I put it on my head, straight out the packaging, like without any touch-ups, nothing. This is how the lace looks without me doing anything to it. And this is what the hair looks like. And here I'm just showing you how big the parting space is. So if you wanted to do a side part, you could do a side part. It's basically like a mini frontal situation. And as you can see, the lace is HD, but it's not my skin tone. So I'm gonna go in with my NARS foundation, and look how that changes immediately. Like, I could have worn this wig as is, like without doing anything else to it. Like, I was stunned when I looked into the mirror and I saw how well this lace matched my skin and how well it literally melted without doing anything to the lace. I was like, yeah, this is some great, like, this is great lace. Like, I've had good lace, but this is like great lace. I'm gonna go in with my tweezers, and I'm just going to pluck that hairline, because naturally I have a round hairline and this is quite squared. So I'm going to pluck the middle section, like where the widow's peak is, just to get rid of that. And then I'm going to go in with my wax stick and just wax the whole parting area and the front of the hairline. And then I'm going to go in with my hot comb just to make it lay nice and flat. I wasn't sure if I was going to straighten this wig, because I was going to leave it as is, but I also wanted to see and also show you guys how it would look like if I was to straighten it as well. So I am going to straighten this wig. Yeah, this lace, whoever, like, the way they're plucking lace, I don't know. Like, you guys could have been plucking lace for us all these years, because the way they pluck lace is actually really, really good. They did that with this wig. Like, it's giving fresh perm. It looks like my scalp. Like, in person, I was just so stunned. Like, wow, like, the lace is just so good. I'm gonna go in with my spritz. I just put it into a little spray bottle, and I'm gonna apply that to my finger, and then I'm gonna just take that over the front of the lace. A really, 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 really small amount, just to make that lace melt. I'm gonna take my elastic band, also by BGMGIRL, and I'm just gonna use that to lay the lace whilst I focus on styling the hair. So this is what the hair looks like in its natural state, without any manipulation whatsoever. It's really, really lightweight considering how long it is. It's really long for 24 inches actually, but it's really, really lightweight and full. This hair is really, really full. It took me a while to straighten it, but yeah, I'm gonna go in with my Carrick Hair Silk and Seal. And this is like a blow drying complex, and it just makes her hair like really, really silky. So I'm going to go in with this before I blow dry. And I also took some GHD heat protectant. So I'm going to blow dry the hair. And this hair was just so like fluffy and nice once I blow dried it. And then I'm going to straighten it with my Kaposi straighteners that I got from Amazon. I think I straightened this on 230 degrees. Yes, and I just took two passes throughout the hair. It was really nice. Like, it was really, really smooth and shiny once I straightened it, as you can see. But now I'm going to take the elastic band off, and look at how well that lace melted into my skin. Like, it's giving scalp. Okay, like, you could not tell me this is not my hair. If I went out of this wig, I could actually say this is my hair because it's just giving silk press. And then I'm just going to take some concealer down the part just to define my part even more. And yeah, guys, look at this lace. Like, ugh, it's just too good. It is too good. Like, wow. And yeah, I'm just giving you guys different angles of the hair just to see how it flows, how it moves, what it looks like. Really shiny, really lightweight, no tangling. This hair was so easy to install. This lace was a beautiful company and it surpassed my expectations. Like this, it literally stunned me. But yeah, this is how the wig looks. I mean, it speaks for itself. It is so beautiful. Yeah, so if you are interested in this wig, all the details on this hair will be in my description box. Make sure you check out BGMGIRL's website. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay prayed up.